One of my students just closed 5 wholesaling deals from federal prison, and you still have an excuse of why you can't do wholesaling real estate deals? Bro, get out of here. Guys, what's up? Zach in here, and what I want to do today is share with you one of the most inspirational and maybe most legally problematic videos I've ever made. I have a student in my Discord school group. Everyone's in my community learning for free here, but basically I have a student that is doing wholesaling real estate deals straight from federal prison. He just posted on his Discord, if I can show right here, this is how he lives every single morning. He is legitimately in a prison right now, and he wholesales real estate. And what's so inspirational is he's closing deals left and right, no problem at all. And my question is, what is your excuse in wholesaling real estate? Why can't you get a wholesaling real estate deal? I don't think any person or any influencer in the whole entire YouTube space has ever done a video like this, or even had a student like this, but there's literally no excuse of why you can't make money in wholesaling real estate. What I want to do is show you the story of Fish Moneybands. So let's get started with this student. So what's his name? His name's Fish Moneybands, and basically he's been posting on and off my Discord for a while, showing the journey of him wholesaling real estate and then getting in trouble, not wholesaling, and then getting back in the game. And again, I'm not going to explain what he's doing is legal or not. I just want to show what he's been posting. And again, it's insane. It's mind-blowing to me. It's really cool, actually. But it's inspirational that there's literally no excuse why you can't make money in wholesaling real estate. So the story of Fish Moneybands. So Fish Moneybands is his name on Discord, and he's very famous inside my Discord. He's very famous in all of my communities because of one specific thing. He makes money in prison. So we got a lot of questions here. So first and foremost, how old is this guy? What did he get locked up for? So again, I'm not privy to explain his entire rap sheet or what's going on. All I can say is he's had a problem in the past, and he's definitely done things that are not right, and he is in a correctional institute and a facility. He's doing his time, he is doing his dues, and he's going to do better from it. Now, I'm not going to say exactly what he did, but what I'll tell you is I'm pretty sure he's in his 20s and 30s. I don't have his full name, and I never asked for his full name on purpose, but let's just say he's been to prison for dealing. Okay, so he was a buyer and seller of goods, and in a way that's not legal. And what's really funny is he was really good at buying and selling goods for money, Breaking Bad type situation. But what's really cool is he ended up being stuck in prison, just rotting away in prison, doing his time. I think he had 7 years left. And what's crazy is where he is in prison, they give you like iPads and internet and cell phone. And by the way, what prison in the world does this? I know what state he's in. I'm not going to say it, but like he is in a state where they give you an iPad for going to prison. I don't know. Like if I was ever like a criminal, like that's the state I'd want to go, get in trouble in. Give me an iPad. That sounds pretty cool. But they gave him an iPad, and what he did was he searched online how to make money when you have no money. And what's kind of funny is I truly believe wholesaling real estate is the only path for anybody who's broke to go out here and get rich and make a ton of money. And lo and behold, he found, this beautiful jacked face saying truthfully in my heart to him that, hey, if you go out here and start wholesaling houses, you could be in any situation imaginable. There's no excuse why you can't make money wholesaling. Now, I'm trying to talk to like a 19 or 20-year-old kid that is just getting started. They want a little bit of motivation and but he said, you know what? He's talking to me right now. This is what I'm going to do. And he decided he was going to start cold calling from his cell phone in prison. Now, I thought he had an iPad. Yeah. So this guy decided, I'm not going to give my opinion, but he decided to sneak in a smartphone. I don't know how he did it or if that's legal or not. I don't ask questions around here, but he snuck in a trap phone and he started to cold call. He started to pull lists from his iPad and started cold calling. And just lo and behold, he has done 5 wholesaling deals. He makes more than his corrections officer. He makes more than the COs. He makes more than the guys in jail that are the officers there. He's closing deals willy-nilly back and forth. And what's the most important about this, and I think what's the most inspirational, is I used to do these weekly calls inside the Discord, and he hopped on one of them. This was one of the most insane things I could ever remember in the history of like social media and stuff like that. But he hopped on one of the chats. He FaceTimed us in front of hundreds of people. And by the way, if you are one of the few people that were on that call, there's like 200 people on that call, he showed his jail cell and his whole wholesaling real estate setup. Mind blowing that he was just explaining that. He was just showing everything, and the corrections officer came in and said, hey, you can't be doing that. And then the stream cut out pretty quick. But he wholesaled from prison and showed his entire story and his entire cell, his cellmates, and all. They were all talking to us. It was crazy. And by the way, if you were on that call, comment below that you're on that call and confirm it. It's so cool. So let me show some of his proof. So this was a cool little post I made, but basically he was posting about this one deal he did where he signed this contract. He cold called from his prison cube about 30 minutes on the phone and got the deal done, and he found a buyer. This was in Macon, Georgia. So he's done over 5 deals here. Just mind blowing. He also closed another deal, posted this on the Discord. By the way, if you want to join the Discord, all you have to do is go to zachdiscord.com. But he did a deal all month long from prison cell. Had to treat myself with a homemade prison Butterfinger cheesecake. Guys, think about that for a second. He made a prison Butterfinger cheesecake. Like, this is mind blowing to me right now, how he's did this. And so basically, there's no issue here. There's no excuse. If bro can do this from actual prison, what is your excuse? And if you look him up, Fish Moneybands on Discord, he posts back and forth. So I think his phone gets taken away, but he's been posting forever on here. So if you go back to his first posts, one of his first posts is, anybody have any JVs? Getting ready for my release on the path of changing my life. Wholesaling if anyone's interested. Then he starts just posting deals he's doing and just talking about this, talking about finding buyers. He's texting people from his prison phone. He's like, what do I say? What do I say? He's been wholesaling for a year in prison. What's crazy to me is, what site do you guys do contracts? I'm currently serving an 8-year sentence on federal drug charges. I got a phone and nothing but free time. In the moment, I'm building up a list. Guys, this is all real, by the way. I don't think I've ever shown this on YouTube. Life is trial and errors. Give it a try. Good luck. And he's just basically on here on Discord talking about deals. Now he's talking about another deal he did in Ohio, a Google Drive of the deal, 30K spread. I need help. Zach, I'm closing deals from prison. Shout out to you. Flipping the odds. And this is just his history on the Discord. This is, I'm not lying. I'm tapped in live from the feds. This is by the way, this is a live picture he posted. If everyone's saying cap, I've never been to prison, but this looks like prison to me. Look, he's got the slips on. I mean, this is he's tapped in behind the barbed wire. But he's going out here just doing deals. He's been posting forever on here. He has actually stopped posting for a little bit, so I'm a little worried about him. I think his phone got taken away. But basically, finding buyers. Just absolutely insane right now. He's just doing more deals. And my favorite thing is he's just talking to people just complaining. And he just comments like, dude, what's your excuse? He's Facebook marketing to people. Here's another deal. Show some love, y'all. He made another post on here, which is just crazy. But here's him just going out here just showing these deals. He's got some more deals he's locking up. Bro's just locking up deals all day and like he's just cold calling, getting deals all day. Deals after deals after deals after deals. More buyers. And so he's just locking up deals and selling them all day long. He got this property under contract, selling it, building relationships with his buyers. Bro's doing this from prison, man. He's using Dropbox, more deals. This is him celebrating with his prison cheesecake. More deals. He's just locking up deals all day. Another deal he has right here. Contract signed today. Cold call from the prison cube. Another deal. He's emailing offers. This is him smoking it looks like he's smoking something from prison. Okay, nice. He's got 2 more years. Can you imagine what happens when he actually gets out and he's not stuck here and he has an actual computer? He can go out to see houses. Just crazy. Here's him peeping the scene in the morning. Oh, look at him right here. Good deals get good responses like this. Shout out to Zach in for the greatest community ever. All from my prison cell, locked up $26,000, getting a ton of offers and making me and my partner already accept one and move the deal. Look at him. He just posted this. Hey, Matthew, sorry for the delayed response. I'm still making a determination or on it if I'll make an offer. No doubt you're getting a lot of attention on this property. It's a great opportunity. Bro's making $26,000. So basically how he's doing this is he's doing it with a partner. He found a partner outside of prison and he's doing it with him. So he's doing a lot of the marketing and his partner's doing a lot of the dispo, and he never found an excuse. Hopefully he's good. I haven't seen him post in a little bit. But this guy's saying, anyone doing virtual? He's like, yeah, I'm doing it virtually. Of course he is. But the real answer here is, if he can do it, what is your excuse? Why can't you do it? If he can make hundreds of thousands of dollars wholesaling from prison, and you're still telling me you have anxiety and wholesaling's difficult, bro's playing on the max level difficulty and getting deals. You need to step up your game. And if you want to learn how to step up your game, guys, just go to freewholesaling.com and learn how to wholesale real estate completely for free. Here's the key. He's cold calling, government lists, and just getting to work and not making excuses. You do the work, you get the results. Sometimes that's why you get jacked in prison, because you have nothing to do all day except for work out. Maybe y'all got to be locked up, or maybe I call it got to frame you and put you away with the feds for you to finally start locking in. What do I need to do for you to start doing wholesaling deals? Do I need to lock you away? Do I need to frame you for a crime? What do I need to do to get you to do work? If Fish Moneybands can do it, what about you? So guys, if you're ready to start wholesaling real estate, join the free community. I literally taught him how to do it. How about you start doing it and you start getting results? There is literally zero excuse of why you can't become rich. So I said this to him, and I'll say the same thing to you. You can get rich wholesaling real estate. You can make $100K this year. You can become a millionaire by wholesaling real estate. You just got to do 3 things. Number 1, go through the free course, freewholesaling.com, learn how to wholesale real estate. Number 2, believe in yourself. You can do this. Maybe your mom says you can't do it. Maybe your dad hasn't said you can't do it. Maybe your family says you're a loser and you can't do it. I don't care. You can do it. You are born on this earth. You have air in your lungs, internet connection, watch this video. You just got to take the action. And number 3 is doing so much work, it's impossible you fail. I'm telling you right now, you can do it. Anybody watching this can become rich. If you lock in every single day and do the work, you will have success. We got people from prison, people from Africa, people from every country out there making it work. What is your excuse? There's none. You're alive. You are richer than every dead billionaire in the ground right now, and you can go out here and just start getting to work. All these rich guys who are dead, they would do anything to be in your place. Stop being such mopey and sad all day. Go out here and make a change in your life. If you don't like where you're at in your life right now, go out here and make a change. And the only way things change if you make the change. So go out here and start wholesaling real estate. Go to freewholesaling.com and start being, I guess, more like Fish Moneybags in prison. So guys, if you're ready to get started, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe. Hopefully this gave you an energy, a fire of, you know, if he can do it, maybe I can do it, and I'm not even in prison. Guys, get to work. Go to freewholesaling.com, smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. This is Zach signing out. I believe in you. Have a blessed one.